Today we're in Belturbet, County Cavan. We're here with Barry Wilson. Barry Wilson is a loyal customer of ours. I think the first work we done here from was back in 2006, and here we are now in 2025, and we have a good relationship. So the system that we installed here for Barry is it's a 7.5 kilowatt peak system with the Huawei hybrid inverter. So we kind of set it up for Barry here that if Barry ever wants to add batteries to it, because of the hybrid inverter, he can. We looked at his ESB bills. We wanted to see, where we could kind of meet him at hopefully 70% of his bills by installing this system on the roof here. So far, so good. He's got his first bill there with a bit of credit on it. On a law of averages, it will hopefully help to offset roughly about 6,200 units of power a year for him.
Hybrid energy. Michael turned up in our house in the winter, I think around this time, 2007, I think it was, when we were badly stuck for someone to look after our pellet boiler. And he saved the day one Christmas Eve, and we've kept in touch with him ever since. He did some hot water solar panels for us around that time. And so recently we contacted them about installing our solar PV system on the roof on the shed. We're seeing ever-increasing ESB bills, and we always had a hankering to do something more sustainable than what we're doing. But since we've got them in, it's just absolutely fitted the bill. What we're seeing since they've been installed is a halving and then a quartering of our bills to date. We're now coming into the winter period where you could see less of an impact, but I think overall, over the course of the year, and that's what you need to look at, is the benefit. What we're seeing is possibly around a quarter of the bills is all we're seeing now compared to what we were previously.
So here we have, it's a 5 kilowatt Huawei inverter. Basically, what this box does, it converts light into electricity and sends it into your house. Here we have the adapter for the Wi-Fi. So basically, with the app on the phone, Barry can log into this anywhere in the world and see what his system is doing. This is DC isolator, SCI regulations. Everything has to be labelled correctly, and there's no cross-contamination of AC and DC. Plugs here on the bottom. So these two plugs are one string on the roof, and these two plugs are another string on the roof. And the two plugs that's free, that's for if Barry wants to add in a battery at any stage. We just connect the battery in here. The battery can be set up anywhere here and connected into here. So then during daylight hours, he can store his power in batteries and use it in the house at night.
From the staff in the office and the initial engagement and the advice they gave us, it was such a smooth process. The fact that Hybrid Energy, our local company, was possibly the biggest reason we talked to them. They're at the end of the phone. So all the lads in the office, the lads have come out to do the job, and the after service has just been top notch.